Reselling digital products requires minimal upfront cost, making it an affordable business option. With low initial investment, entrepreneurs can start their business without significant financial risk. No physical inventory means you can save time and money by avoiding the hassle of storing, packaging, and shipping physical products. With digital items delivered electronically, you can streamline your business operations and focus on creating and delivering valuable content to your customers. Flexible working hours allow you to enjoy the freedom to set your own schedule and work whenever it's convenient for you. Whether it's early in the morning or late at night, you have the flexibility to tailor your work hours to fit your lifestyle and preferences. With a wide range of products, you can easily diversify your inventory by offering a multitude of digital products including books, software, courses, and more. This allows you to cater to a broader audience and increase your potential for sales and growth. Accessing established marketplaces allows you to tap into a large customer base and significantly increase your sales. By leveraging popular online platforms, you can effortlessly connect with potential buyers and boost your revenue potential. Digital products often have high profit margins, allowing for substantial returns on each sale. Automated delivery systems can revolutionize your business by streamlining operations and improving customer experience. With automated delivery, you can ensure efficient and convenient transactions, saving time and resources. With the advancement of technology, businesses can now overcome geographical limitations and reach a global customer base without the constraints of physical shipping. Online platforms and digital marketplaces allow for instant access to international markets, providing opportunities for expansion and growth.